Welcome back to our channel where our exploration of the breathtaking beaches of Cameroon, where the sun meets the sand and the waves whisper tales of tranquility. From the Gulf of Guinea to the Atlantic Ocean, Cameroon boasts some of the most captivating coastal landscapes in Africa. Join us as we unveil the top 10 beaches that promise an unforgettable seaside experience. Number 1. Limbe Beach. Our journey begins with Limbe Beach. Nestled along the vibrant town of Limbe, this coastal gem offers more than just sun and sand. It's a gateway to the mesmerizing beauty of Mount Cameroon. Picture yourself strolling along the black volcanic sands, with the majestic silhouette of the mountain gracing the horizon. Limbe Beach is also a sanctuary for marine life, making it perfect for snorkeling adventures. Dive into the crystal-clear waters and discover a kaleidoscope of underwater wonders. From colorful coral reefs to exotic fish species, Limbe Beach isn't just a destination, it's an experience that awakens the senses and nourishes the soul. A place where the beauty of nature and the warmth of Cameroonian hospitality come together to create memories that last a lifetime. Number 2. Cribby Beach. Next on our list is the enchanting Cribby Beach, a paradise nestled in the heart of the lush Kribi coastline. With its pristine golden sands and swaying palm trees, Cribby Beach embodies the essence of a tropical bliss. Take a leisurely walk along the shoreline as the gentle waves kiss your feet, or indulge in a thrilling jet ski ride for an adrenaline rush like no other. But perhaps the highlight of Cribby Beach is the breathtaking sight of the Lobe waterfalls cascading into the ocean, a mesmerizing spectacle that never fails to captivate visitors. Number 3. Njim Beach. Moving along our coastal odyssey, we arrive at Njim Beach, a hidden gem on the outskirts of Limbe. This secluded stretch of coastline offers a serene retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Feel the soft grains of sand between your toes as you bask in the warm glow of the Cameroonian sun. Njim Beach is also renowned for its vibrant nightlife, with beachfront bars and restaurants serving up delicious seafood feasts against a backdrop of swaying palm trees and starry skies. Number 4. Adaa Beach. Our next destination is Adaa Beach, a tranquil haven nestled along the Cina River Delta. This idyllic retreat is a haven for nature lovers, offering unparalleled opportunities for birdwatching and wildlife spotting. Embark on a scenic boat tour along the river and marvel at the diverse ecosystem that thrives in this pristine environment. Adaa Beach is also steeped in cultural heritage, with nearby villages preserving centuries-old traditions and customs. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Cameroonian culture as you explore the charming communities that call this coastal paradise home. Number 5. Njim Beach. As we continue our coastal expedition, we arrive at Njim Beach, a hidden jewel on the shores of the Gulf of Guinea. This secluded stretch of coastline is a haven for relaxation and rejuvenation, offering pristine sands and azure waters as far as the eye can see. Indulge in a soothing massage by the shore, or simply unwind with a good book as the gentle sea breeze caresses your skin. Njim Beach is also a paradise for water sports enthusiasts, with opportunities for kayaking, windsurfing, and paddleboarding aplenty. While the allure of Njim Beach lies in its picturesque setting, its true charm lies in the array of activities it offers to its visitors. Whether you're a thrill seeker craving adventure, or a leisure seeker seeking relaxation, strap on your snorkeling gear and explore the vibrant underwater world teeming with colorful marine life. For those content to simply bask in the sun, Njim Beach offers miles, a pristine shoreline perfect for lounging and soaking up the warm Cameroonian sun. Number 6. Duna Beach. Our next stop takes us to Duna Beach, a rugged paradise nestled along the foot of Mount Cameroon. This remote coastline offers a dramatic contrast of rocky cliffs and pristine sands, creating a picturesque backdrop for unforgettable adventures. Explore hidden coves and tide pools as you soak in the raw beauty of this untamed wilderness. Duna Beach is also famed for its epic sunsets, painting the sky in a palette of fiery hues that will leave you spellbound. Number 7. Gilly Beach. Moving along our coastal odyssey, we arrive at Gilly Beach, a tranquil haven on the outskirts of Limbe. This pristine stretch of coastline is a favorite among locals and tourists alike, thanks to its crystal-clear waters and powdery white sands. Dive into the refreshing waves for a revitalizing swim, or simply lounge on the shore and soak up the tropical sunshine. Gilly is also a vibrant hub of activity, with locals and visitors alike converging to enjoy the simple pleasures of beach life. From impromptu games of beach volleyball to leisurely walks along the shoreline, there's always a sense of camaraderie that permeates the air, inviting you to connect with fellow beachgoers and share in the joy of coastal living. Gilly Beach is also a popular spot for picnics and beachside barbecues, making it the perfect destination for a fun-filled day with family and friends. And as night falls, the beachfront comes alive, with the soft glow of lanterns and the sound of laughter echoing into the night, a testament to the enduring spirit of camaraderie and hospitality that defines Gilly Beach. So whether you're seeking a tranquil escape or a lively seaside adventure, Gilly promises an experience that will leave an indelible mark on your heart and soul, long after the waves have kissed the shore goodbye. Number 8. Down Beach. Next on our list is Down Beach, a vibrant seaside enclave. Located in the heart of Limbe, this bustling stretch of coastline is a melting pot of culture, with bustling markets and lively street vendors offering a tantalizing array of local delicacies. Explore the colorful fishing village that lines the shore, and witness the age-old traditions of the Cameroonian fishing community. As you wander along the sandy shores, you'll encounter a kaleidoscope of sights and sounds, the rhythmic chants of fishermen hauling in their day's catch, the vibrant hues of traditional fishing boats bobbing in the waves. Dive into the heart of Limbe's fishing community, where time seems to slow down amidst the laughter of children playing in the surf, and the camaraderie of locals sharing stories under the shade of palm trees. Down Beach is also a paradise for seafood lovers, with freshly caught fish and seafood dishes served up at beachfront restaurants, with a side of warm Cameroonian hospitality. Number 9. Cina Beach. Our coastal adventure continues with Cina Beach, a hidden gem tucked away along the pristine coastline of Limbe. This secluded stretch of shoreline offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, with its tranquil waters and swaying palm trees, creating the perfect backdrop for relaxation. Take a leisurely stroll along the sandy shores, or simply lounge beneath the shade of a palm tree and listen to the soothing sound of the waves crashing against the shore. Cina Beach is also a paradise for water sports enthusiasts, with opportunities for snorkeling, diving, and kayaking aplenty. Number 10. Bindy Beach. Our coastal odyssey culminates at Bindy Beach, a hidden paradise nestled along the banks of the Bindy River. This pristine stretch of coastline offers a tranquil retreat from the chaos of everyday life, with its secluded shores and lush mangrove forests, creating the perfect backdrop for relaxation. Explore the winding waterways of the Bindy River by canoe, or simply unwind with a leisurely stroll along the sandy shores. Bindy Beach is also a haven for birdwatchers, with an abundance of avian species, calling the surrounding mangroves home. Whether you're lounging beneath the shade of a palm tree with a good book, or simply gazing out at the endless expanse of sea and sky, Bindy Beach invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and savor the beauty of the moment. As the sun sets over the horizon, casting a golden glow across the tranquil waters, you'll find yourself lost in the timeless beauty of this hidden gem on Cameroon's coastline. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 10 beaches of Cameroon. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or simply a moment of tranquility, these coastal wonders offer something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and embark on your own seaside adventure along the stunning shores of Cameroon. Until next time, happy travels.